Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin.
Boy, have we got a special GTO for you here. Body off frame, detailed restoration. I mean, this car is really amazing, top to bottom, front to back. If you go to volocars.com, you'll see all the photos. There's about over 100 of them, including the undercarriage. You need to check it out. That's at volocars.com. You will also find a description and pricing on this car and a few hundred other collector cars that are all for sale. So make sure you go to the website. But for right now, why don't you come with me and let's go for a spin in this ragtop 69 GTO. It is numbers matching. It's the motor, the trans that came with the car. Again, it's detailed out to factory specs, frame off restoration, gorgeous colors, that red against the white and the red lines. This car is just fantastic and it's dialed in. I just got it from a really good collector who really enjoys his cars. He knows how to tinker on them. He knows how to make them better than when he got them. So this is a really good car. Rear spoiler, tail lights are new, the emblems, the show quality chrome on the bumper here. The trunk fits perfectly square and flush all the way around. The spoiler fits really nice. Trunk light works. Inside the trunk is all clean metal and that spatter finish. They sprayed this one with a gun. It's not the stuff out of the can. It's got a redline Rally 2 for a spare. The jack is restored. The wiring looks mint. This also has a power trunk release in the glove box. So trunk compartments detailed, show quality. The interior is as tidy as can be. The headrest, the seat backs, wood grain deluxe steering wheel on a tilt column, has the hood tachometer, has the clock, lights all work, the console's mint, the dash pad is mint. It's not one of those cheap plastic glue-on caps. It's an actual dash pad. When I start it, you'll see the headlights work. They actually work really well. The hood fits perfectly well. The rubber bumper is in excellent shape. Look how nice that bumper fits. It's always an issue on these GTOs. It's a rubber bumper. Numbers match 400 motor. It looks spotless, looks like a model car. The aqua paint is still fresh. Every nut, bolt, gasket, hose clamp, brake line, everything under here is polished and beautiful like new. The stainless is polished. The windshield's new. All the rubber window seals, weather strips are new, door jambs are painted beautifully. The knobs on the vents, all mint. It's got even the stickers, the latches are detailed, the screws, the trim, everything. The tail light housings, trunk light works, new well liner. Obviously Rally 2 wheels, all restored, the right lug nuts, the right center caps, polished wheel well moldings. We'll fire it up. And I know this is a turnkey driver because I know the guy I got it from. It's got a remote mirror, looks like it's re-chromed. Cadmium plated brake booster. The right valve covers and air cleaner lid have show quality chrome. All the brackets, spring clamp cables, GM hoses. The shroud is proper. And underneath is the same way. It has all the assembly line markings and stickers and clamps. The hood hinges are detailed. This is the right antenna for the car. The lights work in the armrest, they work under the dash. Fits beautifully. I love the little marker lights here. Those are the factory exhaust extensions, they call them, exhaust tips. Up here, everything's mint. So yes, this car is excellent. This is if you really want the best. It's show and go, turnkey ready. Visit volocars.com. There's plenty of ways to contact my staff. They can help answer any questions or concerns about the cars or the process. We have shipping, we have financing we can help with too. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's the best way to see these amazing cars as they come out. So I do appreciate your time. Thanks for watching, and do come back for more.